It's another unboxing time, and today we're going to unbox some packages from Rolling Square here. We've got Hyphen to inCharge, TAU Powerbank, as well as this super sweet letter from them. And we're also going to be unboxing really quickly about these Halo products right here. So without further ado, let's get started. Selamat pagi! Good morning everyone, Kenneth here and welcome to another video. And as you can see right here, these stuff are sent by Rolling Square, but by no means I am giving you a biased opinion. You will always get my own honest opinion. That will be the case when I review the Hyphen 2 or any of these Halo earbuds later in the future. So in this video, we're just gonna unbox these things very quickly because I've got quite a lot of stuff here. And also if you're excited with any of these stuff that I'm going to unbox, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this, and also the reviews of all these earbuds. And please forgive me for this arm right here because this holds my phone shooting down here and it's a really beautiful shot. So I hope this is worth the distraction because you'll be getting a top view of the unboxing, which I haven't been able to do in forever basically. So yeah, let's get started with these accessories. We're gonna start with the TAU Powerbank. There you go. Okay, this is it. I think these are made out of recycled material, so that is good from the team right there. Let's open up the package here. All right, we've got the TAU Powerbank itself, and the plastic is fine. And this is the power bank itself. As you can see here, this is the metal part where you can put your keys right here. So now my key is attached to the TAU power bank here. And as you can see, this is a very nice power bank. It's not unwieldy or anything like that. It has 1400 mAh battery and a built-in cable into it. So you can see here, this is like a combo of lightning plus micro USB cable. We're gonna test that right now, see if this thing is charged. And how do you plug it in, by the way? All right. It's the other way around. And there you go. This just plugs in like a micro USB and it is charging at the moment. So that is super cool. Let's try out a lightning device right here. And you can see it is charging. And usually with lightning plus micro USB combo like this, you don't usually have both sides of lightning. So extremely cool. I think the inCharge 6 will do that as well. So super excited to check that one out. On the left side, we have a USB-C cable. So the selling point of this thing is it doubles down as a key holder. So basically you attach this to your wall and you have like a glue here. If you want to glue it down, you can. And if you want to punch a hole through your wall, you can do that as well for a more secure, permanent position. So imagine this, right? This will be on your wall, and every day if you want to go out, you just like take this out, you have a power bank with you, and you have your keys with you. And these are not heavy at all, these are not thick. You can just pocket this just fine. And then when you're done with your day, you got home, you just magnetically attach this. Power bank is right back charged. This is a micro USB cable, but it's not a big deal because it's mostly permanent. So the fact that it is removable is already a good thing. Slide it in like that. And there you go. This is it, the TAU power bank. It goes down like this. You plug it into a charger. This will be your setup. So just this is a wall, and if you want to go out, cool. Get back home. And it is charged. By the way, if you're interested in any of these products, you can find links down in the description below. These are Indiegogo products, but Rolling Square will guarantee a delivery to you, so don't worry too much about that. So yeah, without further ado, let's check out these cables real quick too. So first things first, we have the inCharge 6 here and the inCharge 6 Max, and the difference is basically on the length of the cable. This one is 1.5 meter. This is another product that just attaches to your key and like be your everyday carry basically. Let's just open this first. We'll just see really quickly what the inCharge 6 is. This cable is just wow, it's like a really nice high quality fabric. And you see this flat fettuccine style cable here. This will really help in preventing the cable from tangling when you store it in your bag. So this is now the star of the show. These two heads are basically everything you will ever need in your life. So by standard, it is USB-A and a USB-C on the other end. But if you detach it, you have this lightning cable and a micro USB combo that we just see on the TAU cable, as well as this one. It has another USB-C. So no matter what power source and no matter what device that you're charging, this will just work. And the quality of the cable is also really good. I think this will last you a very long time. Let's just try it out, give it a shot, and we'll charge something with this. So this is the USB-C, and we'll charge something with lightning. All right. So right now it is charging there, charging my AirPods Pro, so that's good. My Halo GT1 XR, there you go, flawlessly working. And let's see the USB-A port now, there you go, charging just fine. So yeah, this is the inCharge Max 1.5 meter, and let's check out the smaller counterpart, the Swiss knife of cables. That's what Rolling Square says. Just take it out, all right. So this is it. That's very small, but it has still the same ultra nice cable there, aluminum, that is very nice. It's the same thing as before, USB plus USB-C and lightning plus micro USB and a USB-C on the other end. And moving on to the back of the case, as you can see here, phone to phone charging. Remember, the USB-A is the one for input and this one is for output. So if you want to charge another phone with like an Android phone, for example, that has USB-C, you can plug it in here and charge another phone on this one. Also, these are the look of the cable from the inside. You have a TPU plastic core inside, as well as nylon reinforcement on the outside. This is the full setup from Rolling Square, the solution to your everyday carry. You have a power bank with all the cables in it, as well as all the cables that you possibly will need is here, and your key. So yeah, those are cool and all, but let's check out the earbuds that we've all been waiting for right now. All right, so first things first, let's start with the Hyphen 2 actually, and there's a little story behind this. It turns out that some of you guys actually requested me to review these earbuds first before you actually buy it. So thank you so much for your support and trust, guys. That really means a lot to me. Hopefully in the future, when the review comes out, I'll be able to help you guys make that purchase decision. So yeah, let's check out the Hyphen 2 real quick here. Starting from the features, we actually don't have the details on what Qualcomm chipset they are using right now, but judging from the feature set, I believe it will be somewhere around Qualcomm QCC 3020 here. And I think this goes for about 70 bucks at the start of the crowdfunding, but right now it's like 90 bucks or something. We'll see if it's worth that price. So far, it's looking good. It has wireless charging. It has 30-meter connection, which is twice more than the usual 10 to 15 meters connection on the other earbuds. It has IP55 waterproof resistant. So actually they took a step further to test out the dust proof rating there. This is the packaging. Very premium. I think this is a very nice job they've done here. So what you see in the box right now is not the final packaging. Hyphen said that they're gonna have a fabric pouch to store all these ear tips, and the ear tips are a lot, by the way, and there are going to be more because this FHS ear tips, they are foam inserts basically that you're going to put inside of them, so they're going to provide much better passive noise cancelling. And from what Rolling Square claims, it is comparable to those ANC earbuds out there without the battery consumption, so that is a pretty big and bold claim. Actually, that's the thing that I'm most excited for, but unfortunately it's just not ready yet. But anyway, it's good that they are taking their time to, perfect the product instead of rushing something that is incomplete to the market. Props to Hyphen and the Rolling Square team for that. All right, so with that aside, let's check out what you get inside the box here. So first of all, you just can't ignore this cable. This is a very high quality cable that you just don't get with any other earbuds on the market. This is aluminum and this is braided cable. Anyway, let's move on to the ear tips included in the box here. And as you can see, we have a plethora of options here, and these are not including the final FHS foam insert of the silicone tips. So later on, when you got your package, you will have more ear tips to choose from, and you have to try them all on to see which ones are the best fit for you. We have small, medium one that's attached on the earbuds, large silicone tips, as well as 3 pairs of foam tips with different sizes, small, medium, large here. And yeah, these are just some very high quality foam tips. That much I can say to you. Alright, so moving on to the main show here, we have the earbuds itself. This is the Hyphen 2 earbuds, and first things first, it is small. The stem is so small, it's just like the AirPods. And let's see what kind of mesh we have inside. Yeah, definitely this is metal mesh, which is very good. And we have this vent right here that is made out of metal as well, and down here that's another metal. And also talking about some specs and features real quick here, this thing uses a cell battery inside that can play for 9 hours straight. That is just insane battery life coming from something this small. And we have a 3-pin charging connector here that can provide you 6 hours of playtime for only 15 minutes of charging. I'll be testing that out in the near future, so make sure to follow me on Twitter at testedbyken for that. And yeah, let's try and put this on right now. So this is how it looks. First impressions are very lightweight, definitely very comfortable, and I'll be excited to test out the microphone quality as well because this has stems, so that should be good. Also, this thing is flat, right? So if you just put them together like that, wow, these just stick together. Let's just check out the case right now. Okay, wow, this case, my goodness, this is so soft. And I haven't noticed it, but yeah, the build is so soft in the earbuds as well. Wow. We have a USB-C charging port. This is for wireless charging. That's really good. Let's check it out right now, actually. All right, so can you see that? This is charging at the moment. And as you can see here, this is a very nice thing that they included the gyroscope into the case itself. So if you want to check the battery level of the case, you can just double tap on the case like this, and this will glow white, orange, red according to the battery level. That's something that's new and very unique here. Let's check out the lid. Wow. Okay, this lid is no joke. This lid, it is spring loaded. So wow. That's some of the nicest lid I have ever got in my life. Cool. So far, so good. Okay, last but not least, we have the user manual. You see how to reset there. So keep your manual. If you will ever have any kind of pairing issues in the future, just do a reset. And basically, these are everything. We have the controls here, and we have everything. That is really nice. And the volume control is on long hold. So this is like my favorite kind of touch control. And this is what I mean by the FHS ear tips. Basically, this is your silicone tips, and you have a foam insert inside, which you can detach later on if you just want the normal silicone tips. Unfortunately, this foam insert is not available for me to test right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I think, for the Hyphen unboxing. I think this will be it for the video, because I just realized I've recorded for like almost an hour right now, and unboxing all the halos will just make the video too long, so I'll just keep it for another video, part 2 of this unboxing. Subscribe for that video, and yeah, let me know what do you think of the Hyphen 2 design. I'll be posting my full review later on, as well as my full analysis of the sound quality, the experience, everything that you can possibly test on this earbuds, as well as the power bank, the TAU Powerbank now, and the inCharge cables here. Let me know what you think of these products. If you're interested in getting any of these products, I'll put links down in the description below. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up if this video has helped you in any way, or at the very least entertained you, and subscribe for more videos and reviews in the future. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Kenneth, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.